YWAMPNG has been serving rural communities in the country since 2014 with significant healthcare contributions. This platform has been a successful platform in reaching remote coastal communities. YWAMPNG Medical Ships, Australia and Papua New Guinea has been a strategic partner of the National Department of Health since 2010, working to strengthen existing health service delivery, and Australia being committed to supporting the delivery of essential health services across rural and remote areas of the country use this platform. The volunteers on board YWAMPNG delivered routine childhood immunization, health education and family planning, HIV, TB and gender-based violence services to the communities. The ship now is in need for an overhaul since it has been serving the coastal waters in the southern region for more than 20 years. Charles Abel, the co-patron of the medical ship, stated the ship does more than deliver medical care. It serves as a platform to build local capacity, mentor emerging healthcare workers, and empower communities to take ownership of their health.
This ship needs to be refurbished so its life can be extended and continue the wonderful work that it has been doing. But that's what this is all about. Some funding towards this cause. So we appreciate everyone that's been involved, and we thank the YWAM people as well. Please continue to help our country, continue to extend services, continue to train our own health workers or help them in their training, and supporting young Papua New Guineans as well to help other Papua New Guineans. Engaging with people from overseas, from all around the world, absolutely fantastic model that I think we should continue to support.
As part of this commitment, the Australian government is providing 10 million kina to support these critical upgrades and maintenance to the medical ship. The Australian High Commissioner to Papua New Guinea, Ewan MacDonald, stated this support is the continued working relationship with the government of PNG and the National Department of Health to deliver healthcare services in the country.
It's about us working in partnership. Part of that is about us trying to build with PNG as part of your priorities, training more doctors, training more nurses, training more midwives. And as part of this, and we had a good look at the TB area of the ship as well, and we know how challenging that is, but my own personal experience with people with eyesight, etc., to see the reversal that can be made through the removal of cataracts and those sorts of things is just outstanding. So I very much congratulate you on that. I also wanted to mention that last year, this particular vessel, YWAM, has been able to support 18 outreach patrols, but delivering over 6,000 health consultations. That's a huge effort in 2024. But during that time, there was a lot of focus on women and girls, which is an important major priority of ours in Australia and certainly of my own personally. But you also did 9,000 immunisations and 350 antenatal consultations as well. So I really thank you for that.
The Papua New Guinea government has pledged 5 million kina also to support the maintenance of the ship. 1.5 million kina was presented to YWAMPNG, co-patron by Foreign Affairs Minister the Honourable Justin Chichenko on behalf of the PNG government. Minister Chichenko appreciates the work done by the volunteers and thanked the Australian government for its continued support to PNG.
Our country, Papua New Guinea, is so totally unique to others, not only with our languages and our tribes and our environment and our natural wonders of flora and fauna, but also it comes with the terrain and where our people live and how they survive is remarkable. And YWAM is filling the gap in ensuring that medical supplies and medical treatment gets out to those, especially in the maritime areas. up the rivers and creeks and the valleys and the islands of Papua New Guinea, where our government services are not going, or nearly impossible to go, or haven't been reaching. So we greatly appreciate what YWAM's doing, and all the staff, all the medical staff, the ship operators, those that volunteer their time and effort coming on board to help save lives and prevent sicknesses as well. They always say prevention is better than cure. And this ship will tell 1,000 stories, I'm sure, of all those that they have saved, looked after, and the miracles that have been done on this boat alone, and those that have served on the boat during its time. So the government is fully supportive of this initiative. It always has been. Under our Prime Minister, James Marape, he has told me that you're an important asset to Papua New Guinea in looking after our people in these remote areas. And with the Australian government's support, working in partnership with Papua New Guinea, we will continue to support the good work that you are doing for the benefit of our people.
YWAM is an important asset in looking after the people of Papua New Guinea, especially in the rural areas. For over a decade, the MV YWAM PNG has traveled the PNG's coastline from Port Moresby to Western Province, bringing medical care supplies and treatment to the rural communities. In 2024, the Australian government funding ensured that almost 20,000 participants benefited from the YWAM-supported health education sessions, including the vaccination of 8,800 children. The ship is scheduled to leave the country by the end of June and will travel to the Philippines to begin necessary maintenance. MV YWAM PNG will be on a 3-month dry dock overhaul and will return to PNG and resume its work in early October.